What are the biggest mistakes brands make when choosing a service provider? I think right now, the way I'm seeing it, because also me on my end, I am still choosing service providers, and I'm seeing that I sometimes make the same mistake like brands make, which is understanding that if I'm not asking too many questions versus I'm asking no questions at all. So it's kind of like in between that. I think the right questions is going to be just, okay, have you done this before? What were the results? Okay, now you're seeing whatever I am selling. What do you see? What are the things that I should be thinking of? Hey, those are going to be obstacles or maybe challenging for me to achieve. I think right now, most of the time, you would make a choice based either fear or greed. And this is from the realms of trading, right? So either you're thinking that, hey, this is going to be excellent and like they are going to sell you on the services and why they are amazing. Either it's going to be by fear because you're thinking, oh, I'm going to lose this opportunity, and maybe if you've been also offered a coupon or like a percentage off or so on, you're going to think that just because of that, you should be taking the opportunity. Interestingly enough, because this is also a good question for me, because as I was saying, even on my end, I'm still using service providers, I'm still hiring people. So what I'm seeing on my end is that for them, it's really important to know about me and know about what am I doing right now and how am I doing it, and give attention to, okay, where am I right now? Because based on that, I think that is one of the things that most brands make as mistakes, that they are not going to even look at, hey, does this person actually understands me? Or whatever they are selling me on, I'm going to be bought on. And that is something that right now I wish we would have known for some time, but because it's obvious, but yeah, if I'm looking back, the brands, the service providers, the employees that we hired, they showed interest in whatever we had already. And here, the clearest example for you could be, hey, did they actually went through your listing? Did they show you what are the current bottlenecks, or they showed you why they are the best thing since sliced bread? I think that's really important.